Hello, everyone. So we've been teaching and learning online now for 3 weeks, and I think everyone is doing an absolutely marvelous job. I know everyone is working really, really hard, and I'm very impressed with everyone's efforts. Children, teachers, parents, everyone is working really hard together to make sure that online learning is a success. So well done, everyone. Now, there is just one thing, however, children, that's been on my mind, and it's been bugging me. And to get my message across this week, I decided to write you a poem. And that poem is called Remember to Press Hand In. This is how it goes. You are all working so hard. Computers, keyboards, pencils, pens. Your teachers want to mark the work you've done, but it all depends online of pressing a little button called Hand In. Teachers love teaching and you all love learning. Alas, it is not always that fun. When I open up my classroom and look at Handed In, and it says none. So my fingers start a flying all over the keyboard because I'm a trying to tell you each to press Hand In. It helps you to stay on top of things and organize your work, and helps the teachers too. It stops us from going berserk. Your efforts will not be weighed and measured if you don't take the time and pleasure of pressing that little button called Hand In. So that's my message for this week, everyone. So keep working hard, everyone. I hope you enjoyed my poem. Be true.